Here we're going to install a 4x4 onto a open face stud. Here you can see you can either align it inside the stud and put the screws on the inside, or if you have drywall, you want to place it on the face front, you can do so by lining it right up using ledge lock screws, which you can find at any hardware store. Next, you can line up your tracks and place them where you want them, high, medium, and low. And as you can see, the 3-inch screws on this 4x4 are long enough to secure the track while not actually going through the whole entire 4x4. This can reassure you that the tracks will be mounted properly and securely onto the 4x4. Once you finish doing all your pre-drilling, you can then attach the track by inserting the lag screw into the 4x4 and attaching the track as recommended. And of course, once you do secure the track onto the 4x4, we encourage you to use a ratchet to tighten up the screws and make sure that you do not over tighten them to stress not only the bolt but also the track. Once you are done installing all of the tracks, you can then test your work by installing one of the StackTrax attachments and testing out your movements on your new installed tracks.